We all consider the lion the king of the jungle, but have you ever thought of another animal that can replace the lion? Well, there are some of them who are equally or more dangerous or powerful than lion, and we think of them as the actual king of the jungle. So let's figure out some of these animals that can replace lions and be called the king of the jungle in today's video. Make sure to watch it till the end. And here we begin. Porcupine. The porcupine is the first animal we'll discuss. Now we understand what you're thinking. How could a porcupine be crowned king of the jungle? While the quill-covered porcupine may not appear to be an appetizing meal to us, there is a lot of succulent meat there that predators like lions may find appealing during lean seasons. Long-lived lions learn early on not to sink their claws into porcupines, and it is usually young males of this species who attempt and fail to hunt porcupines. In this situation, having friends can mean the difference between life and death. Lions can die from the quills when no one is around to help them, and others are so injured that they must resort to hunting easier prey. The feet at the quills of porcupines and the injuries it causes frequently drive lions to human communities in search of easy prey. In addition, desperate circumstances drive young males to hunt dangerous prey such as porcupines, and the injuries they sustain drive them to even more dangerous measures. Moreover, the definition of a king defines a porcupine to be on the list. A king has absolute power and is typically lazy and a beast in our society. They have an easy life. We believe the porcupine fits the bill pretty well. Who has more power than the porcupine? Nobody is messing with those quills and spikes. No king would mess with them because they are razor sharp. Hyena. Hyenas are falciform carnivorous mammals in the Hyaenidae family. It is the fifth smallest biological family in the Carnivora and one of the smallest in the class Mammalia, with only 4 extant species, each in its own genus. Despite their low diversity, hyenas are distinct and essential components of the majority of African ecosystems. Although phylogenetically closer to felines and viverids, hyenas are behaviorally and morphologically similar to canids in several ways due to convergent evolution. Both hyenas and canines are non-arboreal, carceral hunters who catch prey with their teeth rather than their claws. In addition, both eat and store food quickly, and their calloused feet with large, blunt, non-retraceable claws are adapted for running and making sharp turns. Whenever there is a comparison with a lion, the jaws of a hyena are twice as powerful as those of a lion. According to one source, a hyena's powerful jaws can repeatedly defeat a lion in a fight. Hyenas are said to be scavengers, eating the leftovers of the lion and other animals. However, lions and hyenas hunt and scavenge at roughly the same rate. Hyenas get approximately 75% of their food from their own kills. We believe hyenas have gotten a bad rap because they aren't as visually appealing as lions. Perhaps everyone has been watching too much of The Lion King. A lion will even give up its food for the hyenas when outnumbered. However, lions have been observed killing groups of hyenas. Although hyenas have defeated lions in combat, they lack the intelligence and bravery to do so against a lion. So hyenas can be one of the kings of the jungle. Elephant. The elephant is the largest land mammal, meaning a pride will need all lions on deck to bring one down with claws and teeth. In addition, they have a long proboscis called the trunk, tusks, large ear flaps, pillar-like legs, and tough but sensitive skin. Breathing, bringing food and water to the mouth, and grasping objects are all done with the trunk. Tusks, which are derived from incisor teeth, are used as weapons as well as tools for moving and digging. The large ear flaps aid in both maintaining a constant body temperature and communication. Asian elephants have smaller ears and convex or level backs, whereas African elephants have larger ears and concave backs. When it comes to a comparison between an elephant with a lion, both are well-known members of the Big Five. Lions are ferocious carnivorous predators, whereas elephants are family-oriented herbivores. However, these gentle giants' enormous bulk and sharp tusks are terrifying up close. It is no surprise that these animals can kill a lion. That is why lions primarily prey on elephant. Calves and these social creatures have developed protective habits to keep their young safe. A male elephant can weigh up to 14,000 pounds, and entire herds will circle up to physically protect their young from lions. An elephant's tusks and heavy hooves pose a formidable threat to even a group of lions, but they've also been known to pick up 400-pound trunks and swing them like weapons against other animals. An elephant would defeat a lion in a fight. A fully grown elephant is not threatened by a single lion. Simply put, the elephant is too large for the lion to handle. It could only win a fight if it managed to bite and claw the elephant all over and cause it to bleed to death. So when confronted with even a single grown elephant, lions can easily die, and those who don't may find themselves unable to survive due to their injuries. Elephants benefit from age in addition to weight. Researchers discovered that older elephants have developed more sophisticated methods of defending themselves against lions, and they spread that knowledge to actively protect their herd from threats. Tiger. How can we forget the tiger? The tiger is still a fierce beast and is the largest living cat species, distinguished by dark vertical stripes on orange fur and a white underside. It is an apex predator that primarily feeds on ungulates like deer and wild boar. It is a territorial and generally solitary but social predator that requires large contiguous areas of habitat to support its prey requirements and offspring rearing. Tiger cubs spend about 2 years with their mother before becoming independent and leaving her home range to establish their own. A typical tiger weighs around 440 pounds, while a typical lion weighs around 400 pounds. Tigers are said to be up to 10% stronger than bears. According to some research, a fight between a lion and a tiger is a coin flip. They're both extremely aggressive, and it all comes down to who strikes first. Tigers kill more prey than lions. Lions have been known to show up in a pride to steal a kill. So if a pride of lions approached a tiger feeding on its kill, the tiger would obviously back away due to the numbers. The lion has the slight advantage of appearing much larger than it is when viewed from the front. The mane provides a little protection, but it can deceive an opponent. The mane is just hair. With a full-fledged bite, the mane would make no difference. Based on the research, the lion appears to be a coward because it always steals kills. Tigers are more self-sufficient, which we admire. In terms of survival in the wild, both animals eat well and do not struggle. Advantage? Neither in our opinion. The tiger and lion are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain and have no natural predators. However, both have sharp paws and teeth for tearing flesh from their prey and are skilled hunters. Tigers are the larger of the two cats, with larger, heavier bodies and larger brains than lions and other big cats like leopards and jaguars. Tigers have better hunting skills than lions because of their physical advantages. According to research, a single tiger can kill an elephant on its own, whereas the lion cannot. As a result, the tiger is more appropriately referred to as the king of the jungle. Who do you think suits the best to be the actual king of the jungle? Let us know your choice in the comments below and subscribe for more.